Where is it?
Where's your basket? What is that?
What is that?
What is that? What is that, big boy? What is it?
Here, let's look.
What is that?
Oh
What
my
is
goodness,
it?
it's a bunny. Where's the bunny's eyes?
Where's the bunny's eyes?
What's inside?
Let's go find your basket. Come on, let's go find it. Let's go find your basket.
Come on.
Oh,
Here we go.
let's go look for your basket.
Where is it? Where is it?
Look around. Where's your basket at?
Where could it be? Is it in here? No, it's not in here. Let's go in here.
Where's your basket with your eggs?
Where's your Easter basket? Is it in here? Let's go in this way. Is it over here? Let's see.
Let him go.
See, is it over here?
Let him go and see if he'll look around. Where's your basket at, buddy? Where's it at? Where's your basket? Where's your basket, buddy? You can find it. You can find it.
Where is that?
Where's your basket? Where's your basket at? Where'd your basket go? What's that? What's that? What's that?
Come over here. Let's see. Is it over here? Is it right here? What's that? What's that?
What is that? What is that?
You can pick it up. What is that?
Is that your basket?
Is
that your basket?
Oh my goodness. A bunny? That's a bunny.
It's a bunny, yeah.
That's a bunny. Wow. Those are eggs. Look, let's look inside.
I don't think there's anything in there. What is it, William?
Is that a snack?
Oh.
Want to have a little bit?
Oh.
Oh, is that yummy?
Yeah,
that's a yummy snack.
Is that yummy?
You want to put it back in? Or do you want to eat? Okay, you want to eat it. He's like,
What's that?
That's another egg. Oh my god. And listen. I think there's something in that one. Oh my goodness, is there something in there too? Yeah, that's another egg. I don't think there's anything in this one. Is that a yummy snack? There is something in there. And yep, that's just grass. You want to sit down and play with it? Should we look at what else is in your eggs? Oh, are you going to put it? Thank you. Look what's in here. Look.
Annie's cookies.
Are those chocolate chip bunnies for the Easter bunny? You want a cookie? You want a cookie? That's another cookie. Yeah. Oh. I think he likes it. That's the grass. See, we have to put the eggs in the grass because the eggs are fragile. So we put that back in your basket like this. Should we put your eggs back? That's your bunny? That's from Nana. Nana and Papa. Oh, that's nice. Yay! Happy Easter!
Good job, buddy.
Good job! Yeah, those up to the grass. Now we have to get ready and go over to